Welcome to our exploration of AI-powered video editing careers in 2025. Today, we delve into the revolutionary tools that are shaping the future. First up is Descript. This platform offers an intuitive interface, allowing you to edit videos using text-based commands, making it simple for anyone. Next, we have V.io. Known for its versatility, this platform provides a range of editing tools and templates designed to meet every user's needs. Let's compare. While Descript excels with its text-based editing, V.io shines with its diverse features and integrations. For beginners, both platforms are generally accessible, but Descript's text focus may be easier for new users to grasp. When it comes to cost, Descript offers a subscription model, while V.io has tiered pricing. Let's see which one gives you the best bang for your buck. Both platforms provide potential monetization options through freelance projects, content creation, and reselling services. Let's hear from users. Many praise Descript for its innovative features, while others love the versatility of V.io. Looking ahead, trends like AI enhancements and automated editing will shape the landscape of video editing, making jobs even more accessible. In conclusion, both Descript and V.io have unique advantages. Choose the one that aligns with your goals as an aspiring video editor.